Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to unbox and make a review about this Gundam Bust. But before that, I would like to apologize if my English is not that good. But I hope all of you still can enjoy this video. Okay? Before we move to the unboxing, uh, I'd like to give some intros about this product. This is not a sponsored product. I bought this with my own money. This one is not an official Bandai product, but I heard it is licensed by Sunrise. The studio is Eastern Model. Yeah, the manufacturer is Eastern Model. I don't know if this is as good as they promote, but I hope it is. Okay, I bought this about 90 to 100 US dollar, but I don't believe this is have diecast like they claim. The seller tell me that this product may contain lots of diecast, but from this weight, I don't think it have any diecast part. It's so light. Okay, let's move to the unboxing. Sorry, got some dust into my nose. This is the product, and this is the back of the box. In here we can see that it has like a portable speaker. Yeah, I think this is portable speaker because it have a mute. Yes, it's a mute sign for the microphone, and this is the volume up and down. Wow, it might be good. Okay, let's check the product. Wow. Wait. I think something is different from the back of the box. In here, we can see that the portable speaker is red, but in this one it is different. It's yellow and blue, and it's not like a portable speaker. It makes me more curious what is this in here. Let's see. Oops. The size is good, but wait, I would like to check the product. Okay, the chest can be open. This is something that's supposed to be the portable speaker. I feel scammed. What is this? It's so light. It's not portable speaker. Ah, I know it's too good to be true. I don't think the price is wow. I don't think the price is right if this is a portable speaker and there's some diecast part on this product. I'll try to check the entire product first, then I would move to the review. Okay, this is a bust. uh, there's nothing here, only an empty. Everything is empty. Maybe the right word is hollow, not empty. The head can be adjusted to, yeah, it can be tilted and rotated, but there's nothing more. It's only just like this. No diecast at all, and there's nothing that can be opened anymore. So if you purchase this product, all you all you have is this Gundam head, and I don't know what is this box meaning. They they give they give me this sticker. It's for the volume plus and minus, I think, and this is the mute, yeah, mute sign for the microphone. I feel like I'm being scammed. Overall, this product is good, but I don't think the price is right. I think the appropriate price is about 40 to 50 US dollars, not 100. So if you want to buy this product, you must try to ask your seller if it's really have portable speaker, or is it just a hollow box like this. Okay, that's it for the review. Wait. Sorry for the interruption. Let's get back to the review. I think this product is good, but the price is a little bit expensive for this kind of product. I think it's more suitable for 40 to 50 US dollar maximum. But I think that the manufacturer put the price a little bit higher than the usual because they need to cover the license price, license cost. I think that's it. It can be good if it's really a portable speaker here, not just this hollow box. And I think it would be much better if this is some LED parts in the eyes or another parts. So this bus can have some lights, not just like this. Okay, that's it for my video. I hope you can enjoy this video, and once again I apologize for lots of liking in this video. I hope all of you can give me some response about this video that can make me learning about how to make a better video for the next time. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.